The test can cost $20, $22, $25. It varies from state to state. You have to pass this test, and then you're going to get a temporary instruction permit, TIP. Then you got to drive with someone over 21. I get a lot of comments, well, I don't know what to do. No one can help me. I don't have a job. Where are you going to be that 19, that 20, 23, 25, 27, 30-year-old person, and you want to drive, but yet you don't have a job? You're on your mom and dad's payroll. So this is sad, but this is true, and this is where we are today. What is the cure? You have to stop for a second. You got to get a job. You got to take that personal responsibility. If you need to walk to a fast food restaurant, if you need to do childcare, you need to do social media, whatever you need to do to get an income coming in, you have to do that. You can't rely on your parents, because your parents simply, they brought you in this world and they're going to take you out. A lot of parents will just cuddle you until you're like freaking 45.